This is what's fun about this side gig. I don't think I see any red flags. Now it says danger restricted area. That's jets breaking the sound barrier. There's a busted up RV over there. Crazy. It's crazy if this is the only grocery store. That building looks wild. I don't want a pack of coyotes to sneak up on me. Power is right there. Oh, it smells so good. It is so quiet out here. One last look at this beautiful view. I'm really interested to know what you guys think I should do with this land. Drop your ideas down below in the comments. I'd love to get some inspiration. Officially in California city limits, but this is kind of the outskirts or entrance into the city. A lot of older, more rundown homes. Driving by the hotel. Now we're just continuing on California City Boulevard. Some mom and pop restaurants, a Fast Trip gas station, another little plaza. They got a nice Ace Hardware. So that little stretch of stores and plazas and things was pretty much the main retail industry area of the city. There's the bank. I'm gonna head out to my land now. My land's about 15 minutes away from where we are now, and we'll be there in a second. Anybody know what these are? Drop in the comments below. It looks exactly like it did last year. It's a little bit more heavily grown though. The plants are bigger this year. And we're here. We made it to our land. I just don't know what to do with it. It's relatively all flat. It goes back about 100 feet. And it's about, give or take, about 80 by 120 actually. Survey, and then I can figure out what I want. Power is right there. The little power pole hops the street right there. So we have power. There's water at these streets. This is the first car I've heard in about 20 to 30 minutes has passed by the land. This is such a fun part to me of this like side hustle, flipping land, because I get to come out here and I love camping. I love the desert, and I get to come out here and enjoy that experience. It's really not as remote of land as some of my other properties. I don't want a pack of coyotes to sneak up on me. Solo camping. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna go sit on my land. So as I sit here on this land, I have a couple of thoughts. I can build an RV pad and I can come camp here and ride here with the boys. If I can do that legally, I think that's what I would like to do. There's probably been at least 10 cars, a lot more traffic than I would have imagined. That's jets breaking the sound barrier. Somebody commented that on my last video. Can't see it, but you can hear it. This is what's fun about this side gig and being able to flip land. You come out here and enjoy the atmosphere, see what you're gonna do with it. And if you do nothing, well, you flip it and make some money. Finally got those dishes put away and cleaned up. We'll explore around the city a little bit before we get settled in for the evening. So I've been at my property for about 3 hours now. I don't think I see any red flags. Heading back into the city now. This is the closest house to my property. So I turned down another street here to kind of get a little view of the city. There's a lot of vacant land, houses spread out. These are some pretty nice houses in the area. I'm taking a little detour around here. There's a few really nice houses and a few no longer taken care of houses. It's a nice fire station. There's City Hall right there, post office right up there. That appears to be the only grocery store in the center of the city here, at least. All right, so I just got out of the grocery store. It's crazy if this is the only grocery store. It's not a super big grocery store, so I'm gonna have to look around. This was the Dollar General Market. Let's go cruise around a little more. California City High School, man, it's small. It's a small high school. Small town vibe, man. Houses spread all out. That's the whole California city. There's a rundown golf course right here. Holy cow, check out this building. Jeez. That building looks wild. Sketchy. Apparently this used to be the Lakeshore Inn. Now it says danger restricted area. Nearly 9 miles away. Made it back to the land. I'm 6'1" and I just barely fit. It's actually not bad. Got my AC vents right here, cooling me off. Didn't sleep very much last night, so I'm gonna try to take a quick little nap. See you when I wake up. Going back in the city one more time for the night. All right, so I've now gone in the Family Dollar and the Rite Aid. Not very well stocked. Did find a credit union in the city. Hit the gas station, then head back to camp for the night. All right, back at the land. Cot set up. Just enjoy the view, the ambiance. This is awesome. It is so quiet out here. There's a busted up RV over there. I'm gonna snap my fingers and then we'll be over there. Yeah, it's very similar to how it was when I was here last year. Crazy. All right, there's my car over there. Snap my fingers, get back over there. All right, we're back. I never stayed here before, and I'm really getting to appreciate what it is we actually have here. Sun's going down. It's only like 8:30, but I'm just tired. Good night, guys. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. So despite my awesome camping setup, honestly, I don't have this dialed in enough yet. I'm feeling a little claustrophobic in there. One last look at this beautiful view. We're gonna check out the Best Western here. Let's go get checked in, and I'll be right back. All right, see you in the morning. All right, guys, good night. I'll see you all in the morning. Good morning. We're gonna go check out the land and get on the road. All right, so long, land. I'll see ya. Make sure you check out my other California City videos, or especially as I figure out what I'm gonna do with this land.